folks, welcome back to the channel here. It is Saturday, May 6, 2023. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We're getting ready to epoxy these doors. So we put about 6 hours into these doors, getting them down to bare steel. The passenger side was original paint, so it went a little faster. Driver's side had one repaint. It did have a little dent that was filled in at some point, somewhere around this area. So the process for this was I used about 4 of these on each door, and then to get all the old paint off, and then followed up with 80 grit on a DA, and they're pretty clean. Back on the back side, we used a wire wheel and by hand 80 grit, so we're not too focused on the back side. Inside the door panel is going to cover it, but I do want to have it at least one uniform color. Door jambs, we put a little effort in. Some areas couldn't get to. I mean, I've done this process a few times, and I've never had really anything come back like, you know, like little specks like this, or, you know, even this. I've never had anything ever come back on it, so not too concerned about it. These are really good doors. It's an original. There's been no repair on it at all. It's got the original little bathtub clips for the stainless molding. I saved the door handles. I'm going to be re-chroming the door handles. I'm going to use original door handles. This one is also solid, but it's had its damage, so it's going to need some work. Unfortunately, you can't really get to the back side at all, unless you could cut a square, which maybe, I don't know. But mixed up plenty. Mixed up about, that's 25 and 20, so 45 ounces. I like to get everything in. I like to get the top size in 3 coats. I figured 5 ounces per coat, and then you know, backside 2 coats or whatever. Door jambs 3 coats. So really excited about these doors. I knew they were good quality just by the fact they were in original paint, or one repaint I should say, but the passenger side was original paint. So pretty excited about that. Don't have to do any type of rust repair on it, which is good. So bring you guys back here. I guess this will be start of the segment of body working these doors. So I'll bring you guys back once we get these things coated. 2.5. right, so here we are, 3 coats later on the outside and 2 on the inside. And we had some leftover, so I'm gonna use that tomorrow on the show. But everything's nice and clean now. Let me take that out and clean that up. Easy peasy. So I'm just gonna let these things sit. This one doesn't really need anything, man. It's got 1 dent right there. It's gonna be nice. Driver door, good. Better than passenger. This one's got some ripples and stuff. This was actually way worse, and I heated up with a propane torch, and it popped back out. So that was good. So let these things sit for about a week or so. We'll get back on it, so bring you guys back.